So I've used this Hydro Flask standard mouth water bottle with the flex cap for about 3 months now. So I'm ready to give you my thoughts on this water bottle, having owned a lot of other water bottles as well. The one I have here is in the Pacific blue color and 24 fluid ounce size, which is the largest capacity in this particular form factor. But of course, if you want a different size or different color, there are plenty of options to choose from. Probably my main reason for choosing this particular water bottle is the standard mouth opening. I like that it's wide enough to still fit ice cubes and have no problem pouring from my filtered water pitcher, but it's not so wide that I can't waterfall with it, which is something I like to do with my water bottles so I don't need to wash it as often. But this water bottle is dishwasher safe if you're wondering. The cap has a very nice seal. I have never had any leakage issues with it, and there is of course a built-in handle right in the cap, so it makes it easy to carry, and also if you had to hang it somewhere, there's that option built in. But of course, one of the key reasons to get a Hydro Flask versus maybe any other imitation water bottle is the fact that it has a vacuum in between two walls. Hydro Flask claims some kind of number of how long you can keep your drink cool or hot. Of course, that claim is dependent on a lot of different variables, but from my experience, I have to say that for sure the double wall insulation does keep my drink a lot cooler for longer versus a single wall water bottle. So something to keep in mind, because of the double wall insulation, it does make the water bottle a little bit heavier, and also it forces it to be a little bit taller to achieve the same capacity, but it still fits standard cup holders and most backpack mesh side pockets. I'm definitely not super gentle with this water bottle, so you can see it did pick up a little bit of a ding when I dropped it. But otherwise, the rest of the water bottle is immaculate. But I did notice that even though it says that you shouldn't get a metallic water taste, eventually some kind of water bottle is going to have some, weird water bottle taste over time. So I wouldn't recommend keeping the same water in the bottle for more than a day if you care about having the best water taste. And I know this would make the water bottle a little bit taller, but I wish that the curvature leading up to the spout was a little bit more slanted, like the one I have here, which again will help with pouring or waterfalling a lot better. But overall, I can attest the Hydro Flask quality in terms of the build. The powder coated exterior makes it a very durable finish, and the design effort put into the handle is really great. I don't have to worry about this snapping off anytime soon with the metal connection point. As usual, if you're interested in this product, I'll have the link in the description. Make sure you smash that like button if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.